lot of these items came from Hobby Lobby. I already took them out the bag, so that's why I'm like, I got 2 of these. Okay, let me see. So I got 2 of these. They will hang on the light. It will be one on that side. So the light will be like right here, right? Because this will be under the light. So the light gonna be right here, and then I'm gonna have the bows above the light. Now these I got from Five Below too. So this will be like on top of the light. Then we got the light, and then this gonna be under the light. Keep the vision going. Now above the garage, like all the way up on the garage, it'll hang this wreath. So stinking cute. And we'll keep that one right there. And then oh goodness, these are heavy. A second. I have those that's gonna go in front of the garage, and then the nice ones to go on the lights, and then the wreath gonna hang on top of the garage. So this is the garage decor, and then that's it for the garage. I think that's gonna look very cute. So as far as the household decor situation, we'll get that when it comes, like the front porch. So after I do the garage, I'm gonna do the front porch. From the front porch, then I'm gonna come in the house. These nails is bullish. Yeah.
When you choose you this time, don't you go back on that. Don't you dare go back on that. Don't compromise on that. Because all that love you've been giving away, you need that too. You deserve that too. You want that too. You've done enough for the ungrateful. You poured while your cup was empty. Now it's time to fall in love with you. Go make your dreams come true. Now it's time to fill up your cup and make sure it overflows.
Oh Lord. So Turkey got us in H Market. We are gonna get the famous milk rice snacks on TikTok. Got these. Oh yeah. I ain't doing that. This one. Okay, so me and Turkey is out, y'all. We just went to H Mart. We walking across the bridge to get us something to eat from Philly's Best.
Better not be nasty.
So we finna try. I'll try our treats while we wait for our food.
Ooh, it's one big donut.
Dang. I don't really like donuts.
This is how it looks. How it tastes. Did you like it?
It's good.
What does it taste like?
Why this one probably was sold out more than
Tastes
others.
good.
It don't taste like a donut. It's not sweet. Like it don't. It gives you just the right amount of sweet. I'm gonna stop eating because I don't want to get full off of it.
Just feed it to me.
It's like the right amount of sweet, right?
Yeah.
Cream is like really
My child, I don't
fluffy.
even like donuts, but that's decent. Don't get full off that.
I know, right? Now,
I'm excited.
try this one.
You want to both share one or?
Yeah, we can share one. They can't see it. Probably. Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Tastes like a sweet Cheeto. It kind of do. Like a soft Rice Krispie treat. No, it is. A rice snack.
That's why it's on TikTok shop. They selling it for like $10, $12
For $6. Go to the store.
Yeah, H Mart downtown.
Okay, so we got our food.
Yes,
And we tasted the viral snack.
it's good.
It's good.
My hair is flying in my face.
Okay, we're downstairs. Okay, so my husband took all the Christmas items out. The way I would like to organize the video, I don't want to decorate in this video because I want to make it like a whole cozy vibe. So in this video, I just want to show y'all some of the items. Like I already showed y'all the garage stuff, front porch, and then living room, dining room, family room, console table, powder room. Only thing I want to do for my room is change the sheets to like maybe red or something, because that's like all over the house. Like, so yeah, red, greenery, and white basically. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna show y'all stuff, some of the stuff y'all probably seen from last year and the year before, but so what. Yeah, I'm just, and some of y'all might be new to my channel, so if you are, welcome. I have to sort this stuff, so maybe in this video I can sort it, and then I have like front porch, I have like garage, front porch, living room, dining room, family room. Like I can sort it like that. That's what I can do. The next video, y'all already know, it's gonna be a theme where we're decorating. I do want to decorate for Christmas before the Thanksgiving. It is early in the morning and my hair is fully now to the point it's like getting kind of weighed down, so I need to and my face, so I need to probably like wash it. I'm really trying to get used to this color on my nails because I don't know. I'm just not used to the dark fall colors, I think, as far as like for my nails. But this is not the color that I really wanted. Like I had told y'all before, I wanted that rusted like orange looking color, but they didn't have it, and I end up getting like that. I end up getting like that coffee creamy looking color last time. I liked it, but nobody in my household liked it. So I couldn't like it that much. Come on, Busy. Come on, Busy. Come on, Busy. Come on, Mama Busy, baby. That's Mama Busy, baby. Get my big baby. Mama big baby. Mama big baby. Okay, so we're gonna make this fun. We're gonna make this a whole bath. I am in my little, they call it, my daughters call it a moo-moo, I guess. But I'm comfortable. It's early in the morning. My face is oily, my hair is oily, and we're gonna get to work because it is snowing outside. Okay, let's organize this stuff from room by room, and then we're gonna close out. So let me show y'all. Okay, y'all. I just sorted out all this stuff. It was like a Christmas tornado down here. Okay, so I'm finna show y'all. I didn't section it really room by room, but I don't know. So y'all do what y'all wanna do with that. But I'm gonna organize this stuff. Like I said, from room to room. I just had to pull it out right now. Just notice he says that they are UV resistant for outdoor. So that is a great thing. I think they kind of match my nails too, y'all. This getting changed. I can't take it. Okay, everything is separated. I'm gonna wash those clothes. I got the sheets washing right now. So yeah, this is the front stuff, the garage and the garage and front porch stuff. These will hang on the stairs this year. I have to go to Hobby Lobby and get the other longer wreath to go down the rail. So yeah. This is the kitchen stuff. I gotta wash this. That's going on the kitchen table. This stuff is gonna go in the child room. And then all of this stuff is gonna go in the family room. And then this is all of the console table stuff. So yeah, I'm about to clean up so that I can start another video for y'all. So I can just start yeah, recording and decorating, and so I'll see y'all in the next one.